In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see a depreciation report in Xero. Whether you're managing small business finances or just getting familiar with Xero's powerful features, getting a handle on your depreciation reports is crucial. So let's start this process step by step. First, open up your preferred web browser and type Xero into the search bar. This will lead you to a list of options. Look for the one titled Xero, Accounting Software for Small Businesses, and click on it. This link will take you directly to the Xero homepage, where we'll begin our journey into the world of financial reporting. Once you've reached the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see a login button. Click on this button and enter your login details to access your Xero dashboard. If you're not yet familiar with the dashboard, it's your hub for everything related to managing your business finances, enabling you to access and organize financial data in one place. After logging in, you'll see a menu across the top of your dashboard page. Find the option labeled Reporting and click on it. This section is where you can access all of Xero's reporting tools, which help you analyze and track various aspects of your business performance. Next, within the reporting section, you'll find another option labeled All Reports. Click on All Reports, and it'll take you to a comprehensive list of all the different types of reports that Xero offers. These reports can provide valuable insights into various financial metrics and help make informed decisions. Scroll through this list until you see the heading Financial Statements. Under this heading, you'll find Depreciation Schedule. Click on Depreciation Schedule to proceed. The depreciation schedule is a critical report for managing your asset's value over time, showing how much depreciation has been expensed and what remains for future periods. Once you've accessed the depreciation schedule, look for the Update button and click on it. This ensures you're viewing the most current data available, so your insights are based on the latest information. Now, you're at the final step where the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to see all the detailed information regarding your depreciation report. This includes each asset, its purchase date, depreciation value, accumulated depreciation, and remaining book value. It's laid out clearly and can be an invaluable resource for managing your business's finances accurately. And there you have it. That's how you can see a depreciation report in Xero. By following these straightforward steps, accessing your depreciation data becomes a breeze, enabling you to better manage your financial assets and make informed business decisions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. See you in the next video.